So in this video, I'm going to go over this Rust-Oleum Undercoat Pro Guard. This one has the rubberized black feature in it, and I've already sprayed it on all of this, and I kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like once you spray it on. I've already sprayed it on and let it dry. The thing I like about the rubberized one is it has a little bit of sound dampening for the tires, so that way you don't get as much road noise. And let me just show you what it looks like on the frame right here and all around. Now, I have not done the other side. What you want to do is shake it up really good. Now, you can see I've already sprayed like some of that undercoating, but it wasn't rubberized. I didn't like that. I think it was the Cricon or whatever. This one, this Rust-Oleum one, let me show you how it goes on right here. You guys see that? I don't want to get it on the camera lens, but look how it goes on. You see that? It's actually kind of like a rubberized coating that goes on the frame. So I'm just going to do it all inside this fender well right here and along the frame. Something I recommend for anyone that's just wanting to kind of like protect their vehicle a little more, especially right in here where you get that road salt and all kinds of debris and stuff flying up. Why not? You know, it's such an affordable thing to do. I sprayed on all the leaf springs around on the frame. I'm going to go ahead and go all the way down. Pretty simple. It blows out of here very strong, and it just covers all of the stuff. It can stop the rust, and it kind of stops corrosion, and it deadens the sound, you know, and it's very quick. By the way, this dries extremely fast. Maybe in about 5 minutes it's already completely dry, because I just did that other side 5 minutes ago. But that's how it goes on right there. You guys see how easy and how simple that goes on? It looks really good. It kind of looks like a factory undercoating on here. Let me go ahead and finish out. I'm just going to go ahead and finish out this can. I just want to do a quick review for you guys and tell you this is something I've been using on all of my vehicles. I actually have it on a couple other ones, and it's been holding up very well. It seems to kind of like, and if you get a little chip or something on it, just get some more and just fill it in. Usually one can will do all 4 tires and all around the frame for me. You can always find more to do. I do the front too. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Rust-Oleum Undercoat Pro Grade Rubberized Black. See y'all in the next video.